Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect custom domain to Cloudflare pages. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you have Cloudflare opened in one browser tab and Hostinger opened in another. Once both tabs are ready, go to your Cloudflare website and log into your account. When you're logged in, you'll be on the Cloudflare homepage. On the left-hand side, click on Compute and AI and then select Workers and Pages. This section will display all your deployed projects from GitHub. Now, find the project you want to connect your custom domain to. You'll notice a URL linked to your project. Keep that in mind because we'll be using it for the connection shortly. Click on your project to open its details. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Custom Domain. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option that says Add Custom Domain to your site with a large blue button labeled Set up a Custom Domain. Click that button. A field will appear asking for your custom domain name. You can use any domain provider for this, but in this example, I'll be using Hostinger. Now, switch to your Hostinger tab and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the Domain section. From here, copy your domain name. Once copied, go back to your Cloudflare tab, and in the domain field, paste your domain name, but make sure to add www before it. For example, type www.yourdomain.com. After entering it, click Continue or Next to move forward. At this point, Cloudflare will prompt you to set up your DNS record. You'll see an overview section and a button that says Activate Domain. Go ahead and click on it. Wait a few moments while Cloudflare processes the setup. When the option appears, click on Set up Custom Domain again. To activate and connect your domain, you now need to add a CNAME record to your DNS provider, which in this case is Hostinger. Cloudflare will show you a target value for your CNAME record. Keep this window open because you'll need to copy it in a moment. Now go back to your Hostinger tab and click on your domain to open its settings. From there, navigate to DNS/nameservers. Scroll down until you find the Add DNS Record section. Click on the Type dropdown and select CNAME. In the name field, type www. Sometimes Hostinger may show an error saying that this name conflicts with another DNS record. If that happens, scroll down and look for any existing CNAME record with the name www. Simply delete that conflicting record. Once deleted, go back up and try adding the new record again. You'll see that the error is gone. Now, switch back to Cloudflare and copy the target value provided for the CNAME record. Then return to Hostinger, paste it into the target field, and click Add Record. You'll see a message confirming that the record was successfully added. Next, go back to your Cloudflare tab and click on Check DNS. Cloudflare will begin verifying your DNS configuration. It will display a message that your DNS is being checked and that you'll be notified by email once it's successfully activated. The bottom of the page will also display a note explaining that your domain will automatically be enabled once your records are correctly configured. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to propagate globally, although it may happen much sooner depending on your provider. Now, simply wait for the update to complete. After some time, refresh your Cloudflare page. As you can see, once everything has propagated, your domain status will show as active, meaning your custom domain is now successfully connected to your Cloudflare Pages project. And that's it. So that is how you can connect custom domain to Cloudflare Pages. So that's all for this video. Thanks.